So again, this to this, the stomach to the bottom of the hip. Get this overlaps, but buttocks is gonna sit over on that bicep femoris muscle. So don't forget overlap. Overlap is very important. Look how much overlap I already put in. That's the quickest way to give a depth and three-dimensional form. Like, look, see how this overlap that. So we know this is in front of that. Look, the deltoid is in front of the bicep. Here's the great trochanters, okay, about pretty close to the bottom of the stomach. Look, here's the bottom of the stomach, right? Great trochanter is about right here, pretty close. The front curve of on the thigh, the front curve is going to be a long curve. It's going to give the stretch long curve. The back is going to be a short curve. Long curve, very short curve. Curve straight because that's muscle, that's a tendon. Legs, no matter which view you're looking on the leg, it has to be an S curve. Okay, so what happened is the knee, just the kneecap, the patella, is going to sit behind the thigh muscle, right? This line right here is going to sit behind from that line. So here's the kneecap, the tendon, this sits in the front. Keep that knee, push that knee back. Okay, so where the S curve, happened, it happened right at the knee area. Okay, so what happens is what I try to visualize is that here's your thigh, comes down like this, and then think about the knee. It's its own sections that it looks like little cylinders that angles backwards, just like the neck. And then the shin comes from behind the knee, and the foot just a wedge like that. Okay, so that's what's to create that beautiful S curve. So that means if this kind of angles back, I'm going to bring my calf muscle up here to parallel to the angles of my knee. As long as you have to think that parallel, that's going to help you to create that directions. This, right, to maybe this right here, helps create, the directions. Round muscles, straight tendons, drawing through. Drawing through is very important. Curve, tendons, and then goes over to the foot. That's the corner of the rib cage. Again, I like to show in a skeletal landmark, like the elbow, like the ulna head, this bump right here. Because if you don't, a lot of time what happens, your drawing is going to have a lot of curve, a lot of roundness in your drawing, and your drawing will look cartoonish. And you probably don't want your drawing to look too cartoonish if you want to do more realistic figure drawings. And we just pop in some of the darker line to clarify things a little bit, like this bicep. I want to make it darker so it helps to separate from that torso. The neck muscle is in front of the Adam's apple. So, and then again, keep in mind how this all line out right in the middle. Of the foot. Center of the head all the way to the middle of the foot.